What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I've made a couple of videos over on my reaction channel about XRP and the future of cryptocurrency. A lot of people believe that XRP will be that next step. You'll probably see something like Bitcoin or Ethereum in the mix as well. As always in the conversation, literally leading the conversation. But then you see XRP that's making its way, right? Where it's starting to chip away at that belief that Bitcoin or Ethereum would be the end all be all for the world currency, right? But XRP is really making that case for the top cryptocurrency that's out there, the most usable cryptocurrency that's out there, the most understandable, right, cryptocurrency as to why it's really leading in the space, right? Others don't really have, I don't really see anything. Others can argue for it, but I don't really see anything. Now, I like to see both sides of the coin or all sides of the coin, but I still don't really see a clear picture as to how that could be the case over a lot of other options, or one bigger option being XRP. So with that being said, XRP, if you don't know what has happened recently, over the last 2 years, we've seen a battle with Ripple, right? Ripple and the SEC has been going back and forth saying that XRP is not, or is a security. And that's obviously not a good situation for any cryptocurrency to be labeled that way, because then, you have fines that go out, seesaw trading, all of this other stuff that you really don't want to have happen to a cryptocurrency project that you're invested in. And then it also kills the crypto market for a lot of positions that are kind of built the same way. So you have this battle, this 2 year battle and 2+ year battle. And then you see that Ripple comes out on top. Ripple basically, or XRP basically explodes. It goes from a level of like 50 cents all the way up to about 95 cents, growing almost, 100% at that time. And seeing all of those gains, people were hyped. They were like, the crypto market's going to explode right now. This is when we see the markets make their moves, right? When we start to see, XRP, BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, Solana, everything starts to make their move because people believe in cryptocurrency again. The reason why cryptocurrency has fallen so much is because belief has been kind of falling. With the collapse of USTC and Terra Luna Classic, belief in crypto kind of fell. It crashed, but it still wasn't all to the bottom. Like, it wasn't completely rock bottom. Then you saw FTX and you saw BlockFi and you saw, all of these battles that the SEC wanted to have with exchanges because they wanted to know information, or they just wanted to collapse the crypto market. That's the reason why you saw everything kind of fall down pretty hard. And belief was the biggest thing that fell. If we don't have belief in crypto and how we're obtaining crypto, where we're storing our crypto, then nobody's going to want to hold it, right? That's the problem. That was the problem. So with that kind of win after the fact, after all that happened, with that win that happened with Ripple and XRP skyrocketed, it brought back some belief. It brought back some hope. And, it brought more people back to the markets like, hey, this is when things are going to flourish. This is when we're going to see everything take off. However, that was quickly met, literally same day, quickly met with the thought of an appeal. And with that, as you're fighting an appeal, that's a horrible situation for not only XRP, but for the entire crypto market, because it takes that belief that was there and it's kind of saying, wait, this is on pause. Should I still believe in it, or are we going to see this go the opposite direction? Because they're saying that this judge doesn't know anything, and they didn't account for anything that should have been accounted for, right? So seeing that made people kind of take a step back and, put a halt on their belief. So you saw XRP start to tumble down when you did get word that, you're going through this appeal process, and, now you have to fight for, whether it should or should not have an appeal, or they should or should not have an appeal. So now recently Ripple has gotten their second win, because that appeal was denied, right? And that's a big deal, that appeal was denied, because now you see that you can actually use that case law. You're not going to go after and see more of an appeal, more of a fight or anything like that. However, it was still a loss for XRP, because what happens when you decide, like say if you're running a race, you're running a 100 meter dash, right? You're running and then you trip. If you trip and you didn't fall, you didn't completely stumble down to where you gave up on the race, but you stumbled and you try and get that momentum back, are you likely to win that race? You're not going to win the race. You're not even going to get the same momentum that you had. You're not going to get your top speed that you did have because you tripped. That's exactly what happened here, right? You have that trip where it's like, oh, are we back in the bullish market or are we not? And XRP and all of the holders kind of stepped back, and we didn't see that continuation. We were seeing the FOMO, we were seeing the rise, and then the thought of the appeal literally the day of and the day after, and the continuation as weeks went on. We didn't see the growth. We didn't see the buying that was happening. It started to, trail off, right? And that's not what we want to see when something's actually hitting, not all-time highs, but hitting its stride, I guess. So that was a problem. That was a huge problem for XRP. And now we see XRP that's currently sitting at less than 50 cents. So where it ended up taking off at, which was around 50 something cents, increasing to a level of 95 cents. And now is back down to below 50 cents, down 0.5% today, down to a $26 billion market cap. So while we think of, the case and how that was supposed to be a win for XRP, for Ripple, for cryptocurrency, the SEC took that away, because all you need is that little trip and it takes off momentum. And now we don't have anybody looking to buy right now. We have some people that are looking to buy, but those are people that understand what the longer term crypto market looks like. But it prolongs the inevitable. It prolongs what the bull market could have been. Because honestly, I firmly believed that XRP and the first win, we were going to see start the bull market. And it was on its way. It was up to a $1.3 trillion market cap. From a $1 trillion market cap, up $300 billion in a market cap. That's what I call an insane bullish momentum, right? I feel as though that should be the start to the bull market. However, with that little trip, kind of messed everything up. Let me know what you think, right? Do you feel the same way, that the second win for Ripple is an actual loss for XRP? Do you have any other opinions? Let me know in the comment section below. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below, and you check out my credit card YouTube channel, link up in the cards. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.